Welcome back and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this thing to rip from 0 to 60. In other words, launch control. Just got to hear it cold. Every time, beautiful start. First thing first, put it in track mode or sport. Double click. I like to go over to sport when you're on the PTM. If you're on sport mode right here, it'll say competitive mode, but when you're on track mode, I notice it doesn't say that. The one true only way that you know it's gonna work is you gotta rev it up, put on the brake. If it's going up to 3,500 RPMs, you officially have it ready for launch control. If it's only reading at like 25 or 2, then you don't have it on launch control. Now you're officially ready for launch control, so foot on the brake, floor it. Floor it, let it go. There's how you officially put this car on launch control. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed.